Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious watermelon mojito. First, gather your ingredients: fresh watermelon, mint leaves, lime juice, white rum, simple syrup, and club soda. Begin by adding about 1 cup of cubed watermelon and 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves to a sturdy glass. Gently muddle these together to release their flavors, being careful not to over-muddle the mint. Next, it's time to add the liquids that form the heart of your mojito. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum into the glass. Follow this with 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, which provides that essential tangy balance. Then, add 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup to sweeten the drink to perfection. Now, to get that perfect chill and effervescence, fill your glass completely with crushed ice. This not only cools the drink, but also helps to dilute it just right. Then, top off your mojito with approximately 4 ounces of crisp club soda. Give everything a gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and the flavors meld beautifully. Finally, for that perfect finishing touch, garnish your refreshing watermelon mojito. A fresh sprig of mint, gently clapped between your hands to release its aroma, makes an excellent addition. You can also add a small wedge of watermelon to the rim of the glass. Serve your beautiful creation immediately and enjoy the delightful, summery flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.